Welcome Rostar students. Today we are going to see the unit understanding quadrilaterals. The total 3 marks in this continuation of the 3.1 exercise. Okay, in the last class we have seen about the question, that is, what is the sum of the measure of the angle of a convex quadrilateral? Will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. It's a quadrilateral is convex or not convex, எப்படி இருந்தாலும் what is the total sum of the measure of the quadrilateral அப்படின்றது question. So we draw a quadrilateral, அதை we divide into two parts, we get two triangles. So in this two triangle we already know the angle sum property is the sum of the measure of the angle is 180 degree. Okay, so in a triangle, அப்போ அதை அப்ளை பண்ணும்போது we get one triangle, total sum of the triangle is 180 degree, other triangle also 180 degree. So we add these two triangles total angle, we get 360 degree. So that is that a convex quadrilateral has convex or not, and the quadrilateral எப்படி இருந்தாலுமே that is the angle of it is 360 degree அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம் in the last class. Now we will see the 3 marks in that exercise. Okay, so question is, examine the table, each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of the angles deduced from it. Okay, so in the figure கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, each figure into divide into triangle. So கொடுத்திருக்க figure அவங்களே divide பண்ணி காமிச்சிருக்காங்க into what triangle. Okay, so இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா figures are given, அதோட sides also given. Okay, so first one is triangle, 3 sides are there. In next one is quadrilateral, 4 sides are there. Then next diagram 5 sides, next diagram 6 sides. Okay, so what is the angle sum அப்படின்றது கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. We all know angle sum of a triangle is 180 degree. அப்போ remaining how can we find out அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா, see 4 in this figure having 4 sides. So அப்போ 4 அப்படின்றத how can we write அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா 2 into 180 போட்டுருக்காங்க. How 2 into 180 because 2 triangles are there. அவங்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க பாரு, divided into triangle. அப்போ இங்கே how many triangles are there? 2. So that 2 into 180 degree அப்படின்னு எழுதியிருக்காங்க. Otherwise we have to write இந்த 2 எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா 4 minus 2. How 4 minus 2ன்றது எப்படி வந்தது அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா total sides எத்தனை அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா 4. Okay, so upon the 2 or no 4 minus 2. Okay, next here see 5 sides are there அப்படினு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, but here 3 into 180 degree அப்படினு இருக்கும். அப்போ how many triangles are there? 1 2 3. அப்போ 3 into 180 degree. அப்போ இந்த 5 எப்படி வந்தது அப்படினீங்கன்னா, sorry 5 இந்த 3 how can we write அப்படினீங்கன்னா 5 minus 2. Okay, this 2 is common for all the term. அப்போ number of sides minus 2 apply பண்ணுறாங்க. Okay, so here 6 sides are there. அப்போ 6 minus 2 into 180. அப்போ நம்ம check பண்ணும்போது we get here 1 2 3 4 triangles are there. அப்போ 6 minus 2 is 4. Here 4 triangles also there. So 4 into 180 அப்படின்றது இந்த rule. இதை apply பண்ணி we have to find out the solution for the remaining question. So what can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with number of sides? Okay, so இப்போ number of sides is 7. இங்கே 3 4 5 6 வரையும் in tabular columnல கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க. Next we want to find the number of sides is 7. Okay, so 7 அப்படின்னும் போது how can we write அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா, what is the general formula is what? Number of sides minus 2. Okay, so here 7 is there. அப்போ 7 minus 2 into 180 degree அப்படின்னு apply பண்ண போறோம். Okay, so now we write the solution. First one, A options, answer for A option. Before if a convex polygon has, given that it's a convex polygon அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay, so that if a convex polygon has, how many sides is given in this question? 7. Okay, so 7 sides. Okay, then the angle sum only we want to find. Then the angle sum. And the angle sum is equal to, in the general form it is 7. How many sides are there? 5. About 5 minus 2. Here 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, now we subtract this. 7 minus 2 is what? 5. 5 into 180 degree. Now we want to write the solution of the, find the value. 18 into 5. 18 into 5 is 90. Here 10 is there. So 900. So 900 degree. Clear? Next, B subdivision. The B subdivision, 8 number of sides is 8. If a convex polygon has 8 sides, okay, so 8 sides then the angle sum is equal to what is that? 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. Very good. Now 6 into 180 degree. Okay, in your rough column you multiply that 180 into 6. So 18 into 6. 6 is 48. 4 1 6 is 6 108. Okay. So now the answer is 1080 degree. Okay. Next, C. You do this in your rough column only. Next option, C. Okay. If a convex polygon has 10 sides. Next question is 10 sides. Okay. Then the angle sum. Is equal to 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 10 minus 2 is what? 8. But 8 into 180 degree. Now multiply this in your rough column. 18 into 8. 8 8 is 64. 6 180 is 8. 8 plus 14. 1440. 1440 degree. Okay, this is the C. Next one, the D. Next question is number of sides is n. Okay, if a convex polygon has n sides, then the angle sum is equal to, what is that? N minus 2. So n value is n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the general form of the formula. Okay. So before that C and B the number of sides is given. So 10 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 8 minus 2. Here the number of sides is n. N. This is a general format. Number of sides n given question you apply this value for n. Okay. Now the next question is third one. What is a regular polygon? What is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon of first one is 3 sides to 4 sides. Next one 6 sides. So now we find the name of the regular polygon. So what is the meaning of regular polygon? If the figure having equiangular and equisides, that is equiangular, all the angles are equal and all the sides are equal. It is called a regular polygon. Definition. Okay. Now 3 sides figure, it is a triangle. In a triangle which is called as which is having a equiangular and equilateral, it is called equilateral triangle. Okay, very good. Next one is 4 sides. 4 sides in the if a square having all the angles are equal and all the sides are equal. Okay, then 6 sides. 6 in the hexagon. Okay, so in the 3 we find the answer. Now we write that. You think and write the answer. 3 sides equiangular and equilateral. What is that? We all know. In this answer, we all know that. You think and write that. Okay. First, write the definition of regular polygon. What is regular polygon? Regular polygon. So, write a polygon which has A polygon which has equiangular, which has of all sides equal, all sides equal, and angles of equal measure is called a regular polygon. Okay, this is the definition of regular polygon. All the sides are equal, all the angles also equal, it is called a regular polygon. Okay, next. What is the first question? 3 sides are equal. So the answer is an equilateral triangle. Is it correct or not? Equilateral all the sides and all the angles are equal. So equilateral triangle as all 3 sides are equal, right? As which has 3 sides are equal and 3 angles are equal, also equal. So that is what is an equal, what is the angle of each abdiningna, that is 60 degree, because total angle of a triangle is 180 degree we are know. But 60 into 3 apply பண்ணும்போது we get 180. So that equal angle, all the angles are 60 degree and all the sides are equal. Okay, next is in the second part, in 4 sides abdining, what is that? A square. Okay, square la da namakku all the sides and all the angles are equal. So in square abdiningna, what is the reason? As it has all 4 sides equal and all 4 angles are also equal. That is each angle having 90 degree. உங்களுக்கு ஸ்கொயர் பார்க்கும்போதே வந்து தெரியும், you all know about square. This is a square diagram. Each angle is 90 degree. Okay, it's a quadrilateral, so total angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now the third one, a regular hexagon. A regular hexagon. So in regular hexagon, as it has how many sides? 6 sides. Hexagon ku 6 sides irukum. It has all 6 sides equal and all 6 angles. 6 angles also equal. So what is each angle? Okay, so this is the solution of that. In the next question is question number 6. Find the angle. The given diagram, using the diagram we want to find the angle. Find the angle, measure x in the following figures. A subdivision. First we draw the diagram. Using scale and pencil, students, you have to draw the diagram. Without scale pencil, don't draw that. So this is a diagram. It's a quadrilateral. Okay, now we mark the angles. 50 degree, one angle is 50 degree, then another one is 130 degree, next one x, this x only we want to find. Here 120 degree. Okay, it's a quadrilateral. We all know the total sum of the angle of a quadrilateral is what? 360 degree. Very good. Using that we find the value of x. Okay, so three angles are given, only one angle is not given. We know total sum of the angle is 360 degree. Using that, so we add all this angle, x plus 120 plus 130 plus 50 is equal to 360. We apply. So if we add all this angle and subtract from 360, we get the angle of x. Okay, this is the procedure we are using here. Now we mark this angle as A, B, C, D. Okay, so we add angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Okay, first step we write that using the angles. Let ABCD, so we take it as ABCD. ABCD be a given quadrilateral. Given quadrilateral. So now write sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is what? 360 degree. Is 360 degree. Okay, using that we write measurement of A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Okay, now so what is the angle A? See here, angle A is 130 plus 120 plus x plus 50. So write 130 degree plus 120 degree plus x plus 50 degree is equal to 360 degree. Okay, 50 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now we add all the angles. Given angle 130 plus 120 is 250. 250 plus 50, 300. So 300 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now we find the value of x. So 360 degree, this plus 300 comes to the right side. So it becomes minus 300. 360 degree minus 300 is 60 degree. Okay, x value is 60 degree. Now we find out that. Okay, in the same model we are going to find the next one, that is B subdivision question number. The diagram is C. The diagram is, this is the diagram. It is 90 degree. 90 degree is a straight line. Okay, this is 90 degree. See here. Okay, now mark here 90 degree. Here x, we want to find the value of this x. 70 degree, here 70 degree, here 60 degree. Okay, now see in this question, the outer angle is 90 degree, the inner angle also what? 90 degree, because it is a perpendicular line, so that it is 90 degree. So inner angle is 90 degree. Now we take this angle is A, here B, C, then D. Okay, the same property we are using here. Let ABCD be a given quadrilateral. Let ABCD be a given quadrilateral. The same law, sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. In the same method, measurement of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Clear? So angle A is what? 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 70 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now we write. So 90 plus 60. So now 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 70 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now we add this 90 plus 60 is 150 plus 70 220. 220 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now we find the value of x. That is x equal to 360 degree minus 220 degree. Now the value of 360 minus 220 is 140 degree. So the x value is 140 degree. Clear? So these are the sums we are seeing today. So first one is in the general form of the figure is given. So general sides, how many sides are for the given figure அப்படின்றது கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க. Then the angle sum. What is the angle sum of the figures அப்படின்றது. So using this tabular column, we want to find the if the figure having 7 sides, 8 sides, 10 sides and n sides ன்னு கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க. Applying this, using this angle sum அப்படின்றத apply பண்ணி we find the angle of the figures, convex polygons. Okay, so if a convex polygon has 7 sides அப்படின்னா using that 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. So அதே மாதிரி apply பண்ணி we find the angle of the polygon. If the polygon having 7 sides அப்படின்னா 900 degree, that degree values. Next same thing, 8 sides, 8 sides, 10 sides and n sides also given. So அதுக்கு same law apply பண்ணி we find the value. Okay, then what is a regular polygon? State the name of the regular polygon. So they are asking the definition of regular polygon. Okay, we write the regular polygon. A polygon which has of all sides equal, all of its sides equal and angles of equal measure is called a regular polygon அப்படினு சொல்லிருக்கோம். So in a figure having equiangular and equisides அப்படினா equal sides இருந்தனா it is called a regular polygon அப்படின்றோம். Next what are that name அப்படினு state the name of that. First we know equilateral triangle. Okay, it has a 3 sides equal and 3 angles also equal. Next a square. Square as it has all the 4 sides equal, all the 4 angles are equal. In the hexagon, hexagon line same thing, 6 sides 6 angles வந்து equal ஆ இருக்கும். Next